In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from Files app to your Photos app on any iPad. Let's see that. First open the Files app and open the folder you want to transfer. For now it's on my iPad, so I just click that. I just open the images. For now I want to transfer these 3 images to my iPad Photos app. So to select photos, just tap select. Just click select all or manually select like this. Then at the bottom you can see the option share. Just click that. Now here you can see the option save images. For me it's 3 items, so that's why you can see 3. If you select 10 images means here it will show 10 images. So the main thing is you have to click the save images option. Just click that. That's it. It's done. Image this and open the Photos app and open the reason. Yeah, here you can see the 3 photos. That's it. Yeah, this is how you can transfer photos from Files app to Photos app on any iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video to friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.